Hi everyone, welcome to TechGuide. Today I'm going to show you how to use Pixton Pro. First, let's go to Google and type Pixton. Pixton Pro. Pixton and Pixton Pro are actually same, but in Pixton only few only we can use, and others are like logged, so we have to pay. But in Pixton Pro, it's very like all are not logged, and we don't need to pay for unlocking it. So let's go to Pixton Pro and go to login. If you have an account, you can log in. If you don't have, you can just sign up. You can sign up with Microsoft, Facebook, or Google. Now, as you can see, you will get this page after logging in. Actually, you'll go. These are my characters over here. These three are unnamed. One is Rebel, so this is one of mine. This is my favorite one. Yeah. So I'll just close this for now. Now I'll just show you how to make your own avatar. Like your character. So let's click new character. Now we can just choose the age of, you can keep adult, 15 to 18, 11 to 14, or 7 to 10. I'll keep adult, male or female, male. Body type is, if you want fat, you can keep fat. If you want thin, you can keep thin. So I'll just keep thin. Then the skin tone, you can just check. You can go and checking which one is better on this character. Okay, so I think this is better. So then I'll go next. Hair color, let it be black. So yeah, next. Now how you want your hairstyle? You can keep very large, or you can just keep normal. Yeah, I'll choose this. Now I'll go next. You can add a mustache to your face. Your character. Or like this, or like this. Only there's a mustache for adult because adults only have mustache. If you select the age of that 11 to 12, 17 to something like till that age, then means this beard, the facial hair will not be there. So yeah, I'll just choose. I don't want a beard to my character. So eyes, you can. I'll just keep this. Now eyebrows also, it's your wish to choose. I'll choose this. The eye size, I want a bit bigger. The spacing between the two eyes, I want a bit large, big space. You can keep any eye color. I don't want any eye color, so I'll just directly go next. The nose, yeah, I want this original one only, so I'll just go next. Glasses, you can choose any glasses. So if you go down, you'll see you can use this. This is my favorite. Let's just go with this. Keep glass colors. I don't want any glass color. The chin also, I don't want to change the chin. I think I missed. Yeah, the face shape, I'll just keep like that. The lips, like that only. The ears, same. Earrings, if you want to add, you can add. I don't want. The details of your face, I'll choose this. Yeah. Then the face lines. Um, yeah, I don't want any of these. The hat, headwear, choose anything. Keep this. You have so many. This. I just don't want anything. So I'll just go next. The expression of yours. You can keep anything. There's so many, so I'll just keep. Oh, I'll just skip this. Yeah, this is better. Now let's go next. Find an outfit. You can keep any outfit, or I'll just search an outfit like, yeah, pirate. So these are the ones. You can just directly choose this. And this is cool, so I'll just go next. You can keep any pose. You can just choose. First, it'll be the height of it, a bit tall. I'll just skip this. When I click next, now the pose. Pose is hard. Okay, I'll just skip this normal one. And this is it. This is your new character. Or if this is your first time using Pixton and you made the character, that means this will be on your profile. Okay, now this I already have my profile. This is the character of mine. So I'll just click done. So profile of my Pixton Pro is this. Wait, I'll show you. Yeah, wait 1 minute. I'll just show. Yeah, so this is actually my Pixton Pro profile. Yeah. So now we have to start a comic. If you want, you can just go. If you don't have any comic over here directly, there's an option of make comic, or if you don't have at the right side, you can see new comic. You can just click new comic. First, you have to write a name, so just keep space. Continue. Now you can choose any background. I'll type space. There are so many. You can choose any of yours, your wish. I'll choose this. Now you chosen this, but there's one problem in Pixton Pro. Everything will be everything will be free. In Pixton, everything will not be free, and in Pixton, you'll not get this watermark. But in Pixton Pro, you'll get this watermark. But no problem, it'll still look good. So now let's go for characters. The character which you want to add over there. So these are my characters. You can add characters, or you can just go to click like a new character, or you can just find. I'll just find. I'll just type astronaut. Yeah, keep any astronaut. I'll keep. Yeah, you can. I'll just keep this. Now you can just outfit, but I already have this outfit, so no need of outfit. Colors also no need. And the hairstyle, like it's all outfit is there, so we can't see the hairstyle also, so no need. The focus, if you want to focus the shape, the head, or something, you can. The words, like I love, I love space. Just type that. Just type I love space. Go to faces. You can choose the expression like he's talking. Hmm. Okay. Wait. Oops, there's already a talking option. Yeah, here. Keep this, and I'll just select this person and What you can do like this means, uh, yeah, you can just keep like this. If example, a aircraft is like falling in the earth, and you can just keep under the aircraft these stuff. So I don't want anything. Oops, I forgot to discard it. I'll just, you can choose like in one hand what you need, and in the other hand what you need. You can choose anything you want, like a sword, a hammer, a ball, a phone, or this alien something. You just go back the character. I'll just go back to the character and bring this person. Now we can you can upload an image like for your background, and yeah, you can just keep daylight. It's very bright, or not. Now we are done with this part. He's saying that he loves the space. Now, and before I go next, I'm telling you these are individual boxes of a comic. So, example, when you see a comic book, you'll see individual boxes. So, this is an individual box, not the full comic. I'll click new panel, and this time I'll keep this person in aircraft. Okay, it's not there. We can just find something by that time. What about airplane? Yeah, you can keep this, the first one, or the this down second. Yeah, second last one. You can keep this, and go to characters. You can just edit this character. Go to hair, outfit, all done. Wait. Yeah, sorry, the faces. Change face, the expression, scared. You can give anything. This is funny. The position of it also you can change by clicking actions. Now, as you can see, the faces on the right side, you want to keep it straight, so you can use over here. See the like the three men over here. You can just click middle. Middle means seeing at the front. Right means this. First, you have to click middle and choose an expression. So, example, if I choose this, turn this side. If I choose this side, it'll turn other side. Now, if I just choose the right side directly, you will see the you will like look at the right side. Now, focus. When you click focus, we can just keep this. Yeah, and when if you're done, you can just click done. Or if these are many slides are there, you can down. You can see this thing, and you'll just see how it looks. Like it'll be like a preview type. So this is the preview. I forgot to add words for it. I hate. No, I am scared. So he's saying that he is scared. So now, yeah, if you're done, just click this done button. Or if you want to undo, you have an undo option where click done. That's it, you're done. Now, if you want something more, like you want to add something from other members, click go to templates, which is next to your characters. And there are so many templates where you can use for yourself. It'll be cool, and yeah. So the templates, and by the way, when if you use Pixton, you'll not get You cannot add characters and templates. If you want, I'll just show you for 2 seconds. Pixton. Oops, sorry. Wait, I'll just go to Google. Pixton. Type this. Then I'll just log in. When I log in, I'll directly log into my account which I have in Pixton Pro. So just log out for once. Log out. Then log in with some other account. Then click sign in with Google, so you can sign in with anything. I'll just sign in with this. So I already have my account in this. So as you can see, this is my Pixton, not my Pixton Pro. In my Pixton, I just have my comics and my content packs. In Pixton Pro, I have my comic, my content, my characters, and templates. Wait, while I go to comics, I want to edit it. I'll just click edit. I'll show you one small difference on this Pixton and Pixton Pro. Now this is background. When I just go down for once, you will see everything is logged. If we want and we have to just buy something. Now in this Pixton Pro, let's go to comics and let's click new comic and just skip this for now. DD. Now as you can see, when I go a lot down, you will still find that I have so much, like there's so much, like everything is unlocked. So that's the difference of this. So I hope you like this Pixel tutorial. If you like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Tech Guide, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.